All right, what a day it is for us here at India today, because next to me is the piece of silverware that the entire world is going to be craving for, is going to be dying for. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the real ICC T20 World Cup trophy that is here exclusively at the India Today office in Noida. Now, this particular trophy, the last time I saw it, about a year and a half ago, was the time that I was able to touch it. Why? Because our very own Surya Kumar Yadav had helped India win this particular title. And here we are in 2026, where that same trophy is come to our office. On that occasion, if you remember, India beat South Africa in the final. It was a long gap for an ICC trophy that India had fulfilled. And this particular trophy has fond memories if you're an Indian fan, because the very first time this trophy really came into play was 2007. And in effect, this is the trophy that really made the legend of MS Dhoni. How can we forget that image of MS Dhoni holding this trophy in his hand, wearing his sleeveless India jersey? That became an iconic image of Indian cricket. That's where the journey of the legend of MS Dhoni started. And then till you've got Rohit Sharma as the defending champion. So as I said, a special relationship with India, because the first ever T20 World Cup was won by India, and now India go into this particular tournament as the defending champion. It's not just the trophy that people will be vying for. Let me just tell you, if you do end up winning this trophy, not only do you get this piece of fine silverware in your hands, the country also stands to gain $2.5 million in prize money. I'm sure that is something that everyone is looking forward to. Also a great chance for the Indian team to become the first ever team in the history of the tournament to hold this trophy 3 times if they win it this time, because we have 3 countries that have won the T20 World Cup 2 times. You have the West Indies, England and India. And if India are to win this trophy at home, they will become the first country in the history of the sport to win this trophy. And there's a very, very good chance that India do go on to win this trophy for the 3rd time, because as of now, they are the #1 ranked T20 team in the world. They have an enviable record right now where they won 32 games in this format, having lost just 5 in the last year and a half. If you ask anyone in the world, they clearly are a notch above the rest of the world. So that is how good India's record has been in the last year and a half. And Surya Kumar Yadav and co will go into this particular tournament as the favorite. Remember, 7th of February is when the tournament starts. 8th of March will be the final. So the 1 month that's coming up, that will decide which is the team that ends up with this trophy. Just to let you know, why is it that India is favorite? Simply because outstanding batting lineup, that you have someone like an Abhishek who's setting the stage on fire. You've got players like Surya Kumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya, Rinku Singh, Shivam Dube. And then what do I say about the Indian bowling, that is led by Jasprit Bumrah, unarguably the best fast bowler that you have, coupled with Arshdeep Singh, also top-notch, and then your 2 spinners, Varun Chakravarti, Kuldeep Yadav as well. So overall, complete package, India gunning for this trophy. Though I can't say with 100% guarantee as to which is the team that will hold this trophy in the end. Of course, India start as the favorite. What I can tell you is that a certain Mr. Mohsin Naqvi can eat his heart out, because this time whoever wins will at least get the trophy. It's not going to be put in a lock-in key as has been done in the case of the Asia Cup. Nikhil Naz signing off for India Today.